the sensational signing of winger Monapule Saleng from arch rivals, which is Orlando Pirates. They also recently added Colombian striker Brian Leon to their ranks. Whilst the Al Hilal distinction, while the Saudi giants who recently signed Darwin Núñez are the talk of, right? So let us look at the team profiles and key players. Mamelodi Sundowns, as I've said, currently on the CAF rankings are currently ranked second. Key player, Teboho Mokoena. The new number 16, right? Also the fact that they've also signed a